Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Morant Bay Urban Center. Now this is a facility we're looking at. Very impressive, I must say. Game changer for the parish of St. Thomas and also a game changer for Jamaica. Because this facility is so successful that they are going to duplicate it in other parishes. They're going to build more facilities like this, and eventually every parish in Jamaica will have a facility like this. So this facility is practically finished. It is just for the different companies or entities to build out the inside of the buildings. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. A four-story medical block and modern courthouse are among the buildings that will line the landscape of the highly anticipated Morant Bay Urban Center in St. Thomas. Factories Corporation of Jamaica Chairman Linton Shirley confidently declared that you're going to be having the most modern courthouse to be built in Jamaica and by extension the Caribbean. 5 courtrooms operating concurrently. It is a beauty. It stands for justice and it was strategically designed by the Minister of Justice, he added. Mr. Shirley was speaking with journalists after leading a tour of the center. The chairman showed the courthouse's wheelchair access, underground parking with designated spaces for judges and other parties, as well as its own entrance to the property. Mr. Shirley commended Chief Justice Honorable Brian Sykes, who he said worked diligently with us to ensure that these standards are in the design concept. Meanwhile, the chairman advised that on completion of the medical block, users of the Morant Bay Urban Center will be able to access a wide range of healthcare services in one space. We have had over 40 different medical practitioners wanting space in the Morant Bay Urban Center. We recognize that all of them were essential to individuals' health and you would not want to leave out any because they are specific, from dialysis to ultrasound and the various other medical services. So we decided that what is best to facilitate them is to build a medical block, Mr. Shirley said. According to the FCJ update, the Morant Bay Urban Center is slated for completion by April 2025. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. We will keep keeping you guys updated as to the different buildings and what's going on with them. So this time we talked about the courthouse and the medical block. Now, I'm not sure if the medical block has been built yet because I don't see any 4-story building, but sounds like they're going to be building it very soon. The courthouse is actually, well, we're coming up to it now. I don't see any 4-story building here unless they include, even if you include the ground floor. To the right, that's the courthouse. 5 courtrooms, very impressive. The most modern courthouse in Jamaica. Very, very impressive, I must say. We will try and give you guys a tour of the inside of the building if they will allow us. Notice I didn't say the largest courthouse in Jamaica. You're going to be having the most modern courthouse to be built in Jamaica and by extension the Caribbean. 5 courtrooms operating concurrently. I guess some courthouses have more than 5 courtrooms. But nonetheless, very nicely done. We will keep you guys updated and we will find out exactly where this medical block is because I don't see any 4-story building. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated. Have a good day.